And this filter's dirty. Definitely time for a clean. All right, we're gonna get my truck's dirty air filter cleaned. Probably been about 2 years. I'd probably go about once a year to cleaning it. Can't hurt it. So it's a two-part system. You've got the cleaning spray, and I'm gonna hit it 2 times and rinse it out between them. I don't show on here rinsing it because it's kind of hard to hold the water hose and the phone at the same time to video it, but you'll get the idea. Spray it down a couple times and let it soak. Give a little time, soak in, do its thing, rinse it out, and repeat the process. And after you do that, you're going to want to take a look at it, make sure everything, see, you need to hit it again, until you get a nice, even and gray, light gray color. What we're going to show you here is how it should look when it's all clean. There you go. And you're going to want to let that dry thoroughly. If it's summertime, it won't take nearly as long, maybe a few hours. Or if you're in a more humid or colder climate, maybe wait a day, give it a chance to dry if you can. And then after that, you're going to want to give it a good oil. Hit every one of these little pleats here with oil. Go back and forth like I'm doing here. And after I oiled it, I hit it a second time after I did this video because I noticed a couple of light spots. You'll see here in the next shot. You can see a couple light spots there. But that's basically it. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please do so now. And share the video. I appreciate your comments. And if you'd like to pick up one of these recharge kits, I've got a link in the description below. Also links to other things that we use to make these videos. I appreciate that support. And check out our t-shirt shops. And look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. See you next time.